Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're gonna make kind of a happy video, but also kind of a sad video. And if you keep watching, I'm gonna tell you why. So the happy news is I got my Sterling Ink September Deluxe description kit, and so we're going to do an unboxing, and I haven't really watched a lot of it, so I think I'm in for a few surprises, so I'm super happy about that. On the other hand, it's kind of a sad video because it's the last time I will be unboxing a Sterling Ink sticker kit, at least for now. And the reason for that is because it was just getting too expensive. I kept having to pay $20 just to get the package into the country. So I basically paid more than $80 for this sticker kit, and so I'm not gonna keep doing that. But I have decided to go back to the Rosy Life Planner. So starting next month, I will be unboxing the deluxe kit from the Rosy Life Planner and Linda's stickers instead. And I'm super excited about that. So, but let's just dive into this one, shall we? Let's pull this out. Put this to the side. Not bad. I'm gonna take them out because it's too shiny with all my lamps here. Let's get this off the way and leave this over here. Then do this, take this out of the way. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, these are beautiful. These are so beautiful. So let's start with the vellum, I guess. So the first vellum, I think this is upside down actually. Yeah. Wow, these are really, really bright and dark colors. I don't know if you can tell. Really vibrant colors. That is really, really beautiful. This will definitely be the cover for September for me, outside my book, I think. And then the second one is, actually she's done it kind of different this time as well, because normally she would do like this one, but just not add the background. Here she actually added some background, but a bit lighter. So that's really, really beautiful. If you don't like your book to be really dark, then you can actually use this inside, say, the daily pages or something instead, which is also really nice. And she did show kind of a sneak peek on her pictures here that she was drawing, so I knew that it was kind of a brick theme, and yeah, I really like it. I do. And I have a lot of colors here because I use like my Tombows. I like to combine, and here I can go all in with like some different pink colors. I have some yellow in here. You have the brown and the green, and even something a bit blue, I'm guessing. It seems like blue or gray. So you have a lot of colors that you can apply to your tombos for this month as well. And so this is the dashboard for September, which is really gorgeous. I really like this. I can't wait to put this into my planner. Oh, I'm so excited. And I have decided that this time, I will try and do a decorate with me. So it's going to be a long video. And if you want to get notified as soon as it comes out, then of course, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you'll get notified as soon as it comes out. Okay, so here we have the dates and the days of the week. So it's for 5 weeks, and with the small elements inside as well, matching up. I love that. I have been doing so good at keeping up every single day in my book so far, so I'm really happy about that. Now let's get into the smaller stickers. Let's do the bigger one first though. Let's just lay some of these down. So you have 2 of these. I'll put this aside. And then these are, oh, yeah, that's the new one. Okay. That's one thing at a time, So here you have the washi strip. Of course, you get 2 of the washi strip, and it's 1 long strip. And I cut this up. I divide it. I don't normally use it, but we'll see. I'm just gonna wing it. Take it as it comes. And then you have a couple of smaller, and then you have some smaller decoration. I love these because I love combining these with the more plain stickers. Like I have, since I have the deluxe kit, I have, say, these, like the frames, and I love to add little things like this to the frames to sort of soften it up. So, and the same with like this picture right here. It's so plain, it's bold, it's heavy. So I tend to put something like this on top of it, on the corner or on the top or something, and just soften it up. And so, yeah, so I got these 2. And then, of course, you have the second sticker as well. So you get 2 of these, like I said. And then you have the numbers, of course. This comes also in every month. Now I already got like this full one because I ordered the undated version. So these are just extras for me, but they are great. I use them a lot and everywhere, so I'm very thankful for that. Now this is something that I will be missing in the Rosy Life planner. She does have some things, like she has the numbers, but it's not the same thing. It's not, no, I don't know. I don't like hers as much as I like these, but it's gonna be worth it anyway, because you do get a lot more with the Rosy Life planner than you do with the Sterling ink, sadly to say, but it's the truth. A lot of vellums and a lot more of the vellums, and you get them in your own size, and it is a whole different ball game. So here are the stamps. Look at how beautiful. Now they are dark, they are heavy, and they have always been, like she does do, like every once in a while she does this small, a bit brighter one, but a lot of them are really heavy. And so that is also why I like using those tiny floral stickers to sort of soften the image up. And I love the torn paper, the fact that it looks like you have shadow underneath when you stick it in your book, like here. So yeah, these are beautiful, and we are going into fall, so it's perfect, like color wise and the feel of it. So I really like that. And so these are just in the deluxe kit. You do not get these in the full kit. And the same goes for, oops, sorry, these ones. The frames is also only for the deluxe kit. And then you have a washi sheet. So actually when you pull out this. Let me show you. Whoops. So you can see here that these are actually washes and in different thickness. So some over here are thin and they get bigger and bolder. And I'm not using them as much as I thought I was going to be, so we'll see. But I like the Rosy Life Planner has a bigger or a better solution to it, I think, because these are really like they're straight. The Rosy Life Planner has more like a cutout, so if there's florals or something, it will be cut around it on one side of it. So I like them better, and they are also a bit more subtle, so a see-through. So you can actually, they're more versatile to write on, and they sort of blend into the page a bit more than these do. These really stick out. So, and she added, and she wrote about this, she had 3 different ones, and I was hoping to get this one, and I did. I am so excited, guys, for this. She made 3 different sceneries that she made in these big stickers. That these are not normally included in the kit, but as a sort of, I don't know, to try it out, I guess, or to sample it, she gave out one of each for different sets. So, and I got the toast one. This is definitely going into my daily pages, like the front cover for my daily pages, I think, because I love having one big sticker, and then with the month, and I write oracle cards and stuff like that around it. So I will definitely be doing that, I think. Okay, so moving on to the smaller ones. Keep bumping into my camera. I'm so sorry, guys. And so we have some smaller ones. Here, 5 sheets. And you have like some scenery right here. And also over here you have some scenery with some backgrounds. I really like that. I use these mostly in my weekly pages. And here as well. Gosh, they are so gorgeous. I wish that she had more of these smaller stickers. I don't remember what she calls them. The icon sticker, I think. I wish there were 2 sheets of these, because they are so versatile and they're so good at adding to different layouts. And I wish I had more of them. Like the Rosy Life Planner, you have way more of those kind of stickers. And she does it differently as well. So she actually has a lot of these small ones filling in empty spaces in the other pages. So you can just cut them out and use them. So yeah, look at these. These are so beautiful. I love the colors, the fall theme and everything. Yeah, absolutely stunning. And I cannot wait to start moving into my September planner. And since I have the deluxe kit again, I get 2 extra of the monthly sticker as well, because she always sends with the normal font monthly sticker here. And since I have the deluxe, I also get the other type of writing, the more fancy writing. So, and I will definitely be using all of them. Absolutely. I have my different spots in my book where I track things and stuff, so I'll make use of them. These I will miss with the Rosy Life Planner because you only get 2. But again, it's a different type of kit, so I sort of mix and match a bit differently to fill in my book. So it's going to be okay. And here are a couple of die cuts as well. Same table scenery and the floral. I'm loving it. These, I think, will probably, I think this one at least will be going into the cover of my planner, because I use that as well, which is also something I love with the Rosy Life planner, because the theme boxes that she has actually is so, there's so much stuff to decorate the cover of your planner, not just stickers. And so I'm super excited for that. But for now, I think this one will go inside of my planner, the cover of it, I mean, as well as these. I save these, actually. I don't use them. I don't know why, but I don't know. And so this is the thank you card that she always has. I love the way that she's formed it, like rounded the edges and stuff. And I actually use this as a ruler, just to write down my trackers, you know, point A to point B type of thing. And it's really super easy to just tuck into the side pocket of your cover and just pull it out whenever you need it, wherever you are. So just a little tip. These ones I have not found any use for yet, other than keeping them. As soon as I open the cover of my plan, I see this, so I have a track of the month. But other than that, I was thinking about sticking them down in my book, but I so far I have not been able to stick to one book for a whole year. So it will be one in this book, two in this book, and so on. So it kind of misses the point. So yeah, no. So, and then of course these I will also be missing from the Rosy Life planner. She does not have the tabs. I love that about Sterling Ink, that she actually has tabs to match all of her themes. So, but anyway, so that was all for this month. Like, you do get a lot, but to pay about $80 for this, it is just too much. I can't do it, and it's not Sterling Ink's fault at all. It's the Norwegian system that is totally screwed up. Like, it's not gonna, they don't want you to buy from certain countries, I think, and the US being one of them. So they add extra taxes and customs to it. So, well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will come back with a new video on how I am using these stickers in my book. So I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!